Hi, I'm Jeremy Gates, Managing Director of Gaia Construction. Are you thinking of renovating and are desperate to reduce energy costs and make your new home comfortable and healthy to live in? This is exactly what our clients at this home were grappling with when we met them just over a year ago. After discussing their options with them, we addressed three key things as part of the renovation to vastly improve energy efficiency and comfort: insulation, glazing and heating and cooling. Number 3, we maximise the use of the solar electricity. Heating and cooling are the biggest users of electricity in the home. The clients installed a 5 kilowatt solar power system before we commenced work, perfect for a family home. Looking to maximise the use of electricity generated by the solar systems, our clients opted to go off gas completely, so their heating and cooling is all electric and they have a heat pump for their water as well. For heating and cooling, we installed a ducted air conditioning system and a split. The split went in because they needed one temporarily. The ducting system is zoned. This is an easy way to reduce energy costs, as it means you are only heating and cooling the areas you are using. This system has 3 zones: bedrooms, kitchen, lounge. It is also important that the return air vent is at ground level, as we have done here, and not in the ceiling. Otherwise the warm air stays near the ceiling and the cold air stays near the floor, where you actually want the air to circulate and mix. Both these systems run off the solar system, so the cooling costs are very low in summer due to the long hours of daylight and lots of solar power and improved insulation. Heating costs will go down considerably in winter. Just by installing the solar panels and before any other of the building works were done, our client's electricity bill went down from $788 to $58 one quarter last summer. And then we're really looking forward to finding out what their winter bills will be going forward. Hot water is also a large user of energy, which equals dollars. Gone are the days when a gas or costly electrical hot water system were the only way you can heat your water. There are several solar options now from heating your water, for example like excavated tube or panel solar hot water systems. However, as our clients are generating their own power, they decided to install a heat pump. With the lower feed-in tariffs in place these days, there is greater value in using your solar electricity on site rather than exporting it to the grid. Heat pumps are incredibly efficient, reducing year-round energy requirements for hot water by around 50% or more, depending on the climate, brand and model. They work by having fluids in them that freeze below 0 degrees, so even on a cold day, they can pour heat out the ambient air. You can set your heat pump so it comes on during the middle of the day. Usually when the least amount of electricity is being used in the home and the solar power is producing the most power, so it is a double winner. In this home we installed a Bosch 3000 heat pump. The Bosch, like a lot of units, is an all-in-one unit. The Sandon is a 2-unit system with a separate tank and compressor. Heat pumps count as renewable systems, so are eligible for STC rebates from the Australian government. A nice $1,000 was saved off the purchase price here. In conclusion, maximising the use of solar electricity will significantly reduce our clients' energy bills. If you would like to learn more about the 2 other key improvements we made, you can see the full video at www.gaiaconstruction.com.au under building tips.